So my name is Puneet Pandit. I'm the founder CEO of Glassbeam. And just to quickly introduce what is Glassbeam about. So we are a BI platform and an application bundled into one thing. It's a hosted model, SaaS model. We are very focused on mining unstructured data. And for us, unstructured data means log files. Any high-tech device has log data, which is typically an email, or could be HTML, could be XML, could be any format. We sell our solution to the product manufacturers. There are a lot of companies who sell log analysis platform and an application to the end users, to the sysadmins in data centers. We sell our solution to the product manufacturers. And I'll tell you some of the customers we have. And we also sell our dashboards and portals through our product manufacturers to their customers as a pass-through, as a second-tier revenue opportunity. It's a huge market. It's a new market. Actually, we are creating a new category of business application that we call product analytics. It's in the same vein as a CRM or supply chain application set, but it's very focused on mining the unstructured log data from different kind of high-tech devices. So the customers that we have today, one of the blue chip companies, of course, is IBM. IBM is in the storage group. They are using our software to mine the incoming log data from 12,000 devices every day, and they store the data for a number of years. So it's a multi-terabyte data warehouse. Blue Arc, another storage company, Hansen medical device company. So as a vertical, we play across multiple domains, starting with storage to wireless to medical device companies. And you can see that it's a pretty significant market. Anyone who manufactures high-tech devices has log data, and they always struggle to mine that data to create business value out of that. And that's our core mission, to how to help these companies in multiple end-use cases. The team, my background is network appliance. So the team has come from a storage background, but today we are beyond storage. It's a very horizontal BI platform that can apply to any kind of unstructured data, any kind of device. One of the key guys who has invested in the company is the chairman of the company, one of the luminaries in the storage world, and also in the TiE chapter is Kumar Malawali. He's the co-founder of Brocade. And you can see it's a pretty well thought out team. And I think someone just said the team is the key, and we are forming the team as we go along. We just raised a financing round last year, and we are almost there, but I think there are some still critical components to be filled out. Our main engineering happens in Bangalore. That's where we have Pramod right now, and we had just hired more engineering guys in Bangalore to build out the team over there. Challenges that these are some of the end-use cases that we solve for these companies. There are three broad categories: support, services, and the product engineering guys. So support is all about saving money. How can we help these companies do quicker root cause analysis on the escalation that happen day in, day out in these companies? The services guys can turn this information around and sell it back as customer dashboards to their customers. They make money, we make money. It's a two-tier revenue opportunity. And the engineering, marketing, sales can use this data to understand how the customers are using different products and what features, functionalities are used the most, so that funnels back into the product R&D and really helps them drive better product roadmap for the future. At a very high level, any kind of device, as you can see from the picture here, could be a medical device, could be a solar panel, could be hopefully a Tesla car tomorrow. Anything that is instrumented to create log data about its usage is our customer. We take that data, which we call product operational data. It's unstructured data, parse it, mine it through our platform, which we have filed patents for, called SPL platform. That converts that into a database structure, and we have different portals and dashboards on top of that to create different values for different users across support, engineering, services, sales, marketing, and so on and so forth. The three critical things that differentiates us in this market, the number one is the technology. At the end of the day, what we have created is really a very efficient data warehousing engine for unstructured data, which we call SPL. SPL stands for Semiotic Parsing Language. And what SPL can do in 4 weeks with one person, typically companies end up spending, probably 4 people for 6 to 9 months. And it's a pretty complex IT project. We can do that in probably less than 4 weeks to get a customer live up and running. The second piece is we work closely with our customers. So that means we have to create this SPL code for every customer, and that's their IP at the end of the day. It's a strong partnership. And third piece is the growth and stickiness. We have grown our customers like Blue Arc from $200K per annum contract to almost $1 million contract in less than 2 years, because once you get embedded in the data path, there is just a lot of value that you can drive out of that analysis and sell it back to these different stakeholders. So I'm going to just quickly just run you through this on the evolution of the company. The company started in 2005. You see the start starting 2007, because that's when we started doing the R&D on Glassbeam that Glassbeam today. In 2005 was a pure services company in the storage space, but the R&D started 2007. We went live in 2009. We are profitable and cash flow break-even company today, which is remarkable achievement given the tough times we faced in the last 18 months. We plan to raise a bigger round probably in 1 year from today. We are totally angel funded so far. And the plan is to probably in 2012, 2013 to really cross that landmark in terms of raising the next big round with the VCs. So just closing comments, I think I'm out of time. We are in a very unique space. It's a new space that we are creating. And again, thanks to TiE for recognizing that.